Ready to make a video? Click and drop the character that was left behind you. You can rotate, move, size, and move many characters. Delete a character, and more. To select a character or prop, you can choose props. Once you lift the size behind the scenes, take it back to the props menu. Click and drag the prop that is behind you. Take it back to the props menu. When you're done, click save to keep more videos. Bye! And choose music. Okay, have fun!